Can I get a milkshake, Mommy?
Yeah, what kind?
Vanilla.
Can we do a quick vanilla
Yeah,
milkshake?
yeah, sure.
No, just one. Just one. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, come on, I want a milkshake.
She's my real daughter. She gets things that you don't get.
Wow.
There you go, darling.
That looks really delicious.
You can have her leftovers.
How come I can't have a hamburger too?
Because I only get so much money a month. So stop. You need to be more appreciative, and if I send you back, no one's going to adopt you.
Are you okay?
He's fine. I'm sorry if he disturbed you.
He didn't disturb me. You disturbed me. You told him you were going to send him back.
But he's not my real son. I can't lie to him and say I'm going to keep him forever.
If you're going to bring someone into your household, you treat him the same way you treat your kids.
He's fine. He's just having a bad day.
I'm not calling police. I'll treat him to whatever he wants.
Oh, no, he's on a budget.
It's okay. Whatever he wants, I'll put it on my bill.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
Whatever you want. Dessert, ice cream sundae. It's on me.
I want a hamburger. Can I have that?
Whatever you want.
You want a milkshake? Oh, hamburger. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome.
As the minutes go by, we start to notice something very different. No one stops.
And more than 50 people pass, and not a single bystander stops.
Extraordinary young man who seems to come out of nowhere.
Let's do it. Trying to fix my car, man. It's not.
I'm the lot. Let's do this.
He immediately heads for the spare tire.
Listen, you sure you got time to do this? I mean,
I ain't got time, bro.
You sure?
Don't worry about me.
Glad you helped me, man. I thought nobody was gonna help me because I'm Muslim. I got the cap on and everything.
Because I'm
like, you know.
Muslim? Yo, if
I never been around here.
anything, Muslim is one of the truest religions. 'Cause that's a stereotype that all Americans, it's somebody's idea, like, to make people think like that. Just want to throw a blame someone else. We have to throw it on you because you have a funny hat. We don't understand it. We're gonna call you crazy and call you a terrorist because it's easier for us at the end of the day to blame it on you. But that's not true, bro. We almost got liftoff. We almost achieved liftoff.
Dude, like, how much should I pay for this? This is like you,
Pay
man.
me? I accept love. I don't want no money from you, bro.
Let me just give you something though. I gotta give you.
I don't want no money. If it's money, don't give it to me.
I don't know. How could you be my son? Oh, the way you played out there today? It's embarrassing. Ice cream is for winners, and you're a loser.
You really think I'm a loser?
Well, today you definitely are. A big one.
And now we send Dad away, leaving Aiden all alone.
Yeah, what's up, man? You all right, buddy?
I don't know.
Yeah, we played baseball in college. It's not that serious. You want ice cream? Yeah, we something.
I'll get you some.
Wait, but what if my dad gets angry?
You can tell him I got it.
Baseball game. Yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, he can yell at us. What size? Want to small it?
Just a small.
You small cookie dough? Yeah. Your boy.
Thank you.
As Dad returns,
Aiden, where did you get the ice cream?
I bought him.
I was trying to teach him a lesson, man.
It's not a good list. We play baseball. It's not worth it.
You think it's okay to reward failure?
As a little kid, I know participation trophies like BS, but like, and you want to win. I know. But I think you still have to have fun and enjoy what you're doing.
I don't think it's worth it. That's why I bought ice cream. So I'm explaining to you.
No,
You can be mad at me, but you don't need to be mad at him.
How many times do I have to explain this to you? This is my real daughter. You're not going to be treated the same. You're a foster kid. Wipe your tears. It's ridiculous. Trying to embarrass me? We're in public. You don't do that in public.
Might be one of the most evil people I've ever heard. Really someone if they're not worth the respect that they want.
No, I understand. I'm just trying to teach him a lesson.
Imagine how he feels having heard this so far his entire life.
Yeah, no, I just need the money.
He's not money. He's prison.
Do you want me to call DYFUS? Send you back?
Your behavior to this child is unacceptable.
This is my foster child.
He doesn't need to know that. If you chose to take care of him, then take care of him.
Well, it's a job.
And your job is to make him feel secure and comfortable and loved. And if you can't do that, then don't do it. Then send him back in the system until they find someone who will love him. But you're belittling him. You're making him feel less of a person because that's your real child and you didn't birth him.
We're getting a divorce.
Divorce?
He has a mistress.
Oh,
He's
come
having an
on.
affair, so we're getting a divorce.
What about our family?
We don't have a family, sweetie. We don't have a family anymore. It's just you and me.
Hey, come on.
Michael Windecanet swoops in to comfort Ashton.
It's not your fault. There's nothing you could have done that could have changed what happened. That's your parents' decision. This happened to me when I was 5 years old. My parents split up. But you'll get through it, though. But it's not your fault, though. You gotta realize that.
Well, were you bothering him?
He said he's upset and he thinks it's his fault.
Well, it kind of is his fault. Well, maybe you should mind your own business. I don't
It's none of
understand
our
why
business.
you're
You're
in the
screaming. Those
business.
people down there hear you.
Okay.
I apologize.
I'm sorry. It's a tough
Totally
time
fine.
that we're going through.
Don't make him feel like it's his fault because it's not.
Well, I'm not trying to make it really feel like
Well,
his
then you're
fault.
going about it the wrong way.
Excuse me, can we grab the check, please?
I really don't want to hurt your feelings. I don't think we're gonna be a match. Yeah, you owe me half now.
I'm sorry?
Any other guy in my situation would do the same exact thing. I'll be right back. Get out your wallet.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Wow.
Good move. You invite you here and then
Yeah.
she wants you to pay it?
You don't think I have to...
Oh, hell no. I have 2 daughters, so you don't have to ask me. How much did the bill be? What is the bill?
$80.42.
Here, put this on my credit. You're off the hook.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You're way more of a gentleman than he was.
I wouldn't go that far. Hang yourself lucky. Hit the road.
I should leave?
It's paid. Say goodbye. You're out of here. Yeah. There's an old saying that there are more horses' asses in the world than there are horses. That was a horse's ass.
Thank you so much.
So you wanted a free meal, basically.
No, I was hopeful. We'll be friends. You know, I feel like...
Yeah, let's be friends. Friends split the bill.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm. Good for you.
I had a feeling.
You don't want to be bothered with it. You're a good guy. I see your eyes. You're like me. You're a kind-hearted guy.
Are you drunk?
No, I do not drink, ma'am. I suffered a traumatic brain injury. In
What?
the war. I'm an Army veteran.
Okay, well, do you know what you want?
It's taken me a while to understand what the words are on the menu.
You need to walk away.
He's an Army vet.
You need to walk away and let your manager handle it.
Why are you butting in?
Because you're rude. It doesn't matter. You are absolutely unprofessional right now. You need to walk away. If I get up, I'm telling you it's going to be an issue. Walk away. How about you keep walking before you cause an issue? That was rude.
What's so hard about opening a menu?
I have a traumatic brain injury.
You want me to help you? What would you like to do?
Why are you helping him?
Why would I not help you?
I'm not a babysitter.
Hey, can I get a manager? This man right here is an Army vet, and she's sitting here treating him like because he has an injury and he couldn't read the menu.
I'm just trying to do my job.
Not your job to treat a customer like
Why didn't you go to the bank?
Ma'am, I'm 83 years old.
I hate when people come in here with all change.
This woman can't believe what she's hearing.
I'm doing the best that I
Are
can.
you serious right now? Look how much change he has.
He's a senior citizen.
You're rude.
What's the total again?
You don't have to count that change out, sir. I'll pay for it.
This is your job, okay? So that means if you don't want to be no cashier, tell them, hey, let me do something else like stock or something.
Well, how long are you willing to wait, though?
I can wait all day. I'm fine.
Are you sure I'm not bothering you?
Oh, no, you're not bothering me, actually, because I have a grandmother, and I wish a cashier talked to her like this, because I've been a punch in.
Well, I'm not going to help you.
I can't move it. I can't. I'm doing the best I can.
It's $5. He shouldn't be paying with all change.
Ma'am.
Then why would you help him?
Why would you be absolutely inconsiderate of another human being, especially whenever you happen to be much younger than him?
Maybe he should have help and have a credit card.
Who's your manager?
It's Ed.
It's Ed? Have him come around to your place.
Well, our intercoms aren't working, but I can see if I can...
Go ahead and take a walk.
We don't have Muslim attire here.
I'm not a Muslim. I'm a Sikh.
I watch the news. I mean, you scare people. You're the reason I don't go on planes. I think it's better if you leave right now. We don't.
That's not okay. Why can he not shop here?
Look at him.
What's wrong with him? He looks like a really nice guy.
Conjuring a certain image, and I'm uncomfortable with that personally.
I'm not. And I'm trying to buy a
shirt. He looks like a terrorist.
You're kidding, right?
No, I'm not.
This is so wrong.
He doesn't make you uncomfortable?
No. He has done nothing to make me uncomfortable.
Look at him, the beard and turban. It's just the image it conjures.
You kidding me? How old are you? Golly.
What? Ma'am,
Your
I'm sorry, don't
mother.
you watch the news?
First of all, he's not a Muslim. He's a Sikh. Second, even if he was a Muslim, this is a business. This is a store. You should be able to serve everybody.
Ma'am,
I am
it's just a
shaking. I'm
business.
so upset.
Sir, I think you should leave, please. It's my policy. It's not the store's policy. It's my policy.
He has every right to buy a suit. Are you looking for a suit, sir?
Yes.
He's not leaving. If he leaves, we leave.
Excuse me. Are you kids okay?
They're fine. I'm their babysitter.
I just feel like someone who looks like you shouldn't be with kids that look like them.
Are you kidding me?
I'm just making sure that those kids are safe. This is a very strange situation.
I don't think it's strange at all.
You honestly think this looks okay?
Yes, that's incredibly rude.
I feel very uncomfortable.
Well, then maybe you should go.
This is very
normal.
I'm so sorry.
It's okay.
So incredibly rude. My heart is racing now. I hope you guys have a wonderful.
It's okay.
I want to make sure these children are safe.
They are safe.
Ma'am, I'm so sorry. This is completely inappropriate. If you have an issue, you can please leave this restaurant.
I'm going to take a picture of these kids so that I have a record of this.
Serious right now?
Will you leave?
Excuse me?
Leave. Wait a minute. Like, get out. Like, leave. Please.
Excuse me?
Leave.
You're asking me to leave this restaurant?
Yes. Thank you.
You shouldn't do that in front of these kids.
Well, I'm concerned about these kids.
You shouldn't be. He's human, just like you are. You're no better than him. I'm going to call the cops on you.
I'm not going to get in the car with you. Well, I don't feel safe. I'd like to get to my destination in one piece.
and on time.
Visual tests and hearing tests. And
Okay.
It's okay, sir. You don't want to drive for a
He's
person
perfectly
like that
capable.
anyway.
What makes you think he's not?
That's so
Would you
rude
get in a
of
car
you.
with him?
Yes, I would. Why would you not?
We're children and we're
And the
correcting
fact that
you.
we're
correcting you is embarrassing. He's obviously perfectly capable of giving you a ride to your destination.
It's disrespectful.
You really think that he can even see the road? I mean, look how old he is.
I can't believe these words are coming out of your mouth right now. I'm sorry, how old are you? Because my parents taught me better respect than that.
If you have a problem with him driving,
He should be in a nursing home, not the road.
whoa, that's rude.
Can I give you a hug?
Oh my God. I can't believe you said that. Of course.
It's okay.
The kindness these young folks show to our actor is what our show is all about.
Yeah, you challenged the older guy.
I did. Everybody deserves respect, no matter how old or young you are.
You can never judge somebody because you don't know what's going on in their life.
One quesadilla?
One quesadilla, and for the kids?
That's for all of us.
I don't want to split my meal. It's not fair.
This is all mommy can afford right now, okay? I don't want to split my meal.
But when our kids step away, this mother's heart is too big for her not to share.
Don't cry, sweetheart. Don't cry. They don't understand. I'm gonna pay for your dinner, okay? I know that. Don't worry about it. You stop crying. I can get the cake. It's hard enough in the world. You order dinner. You let them order their food. You buy them the cake they want. You act like it was good, okay? I want to tell my kids what you did. No. You let it be you. So you just put a smile back on your face before they come on. Order your dinner. You eat. You eat.
I decided we eat the quesadilla and the cake.
That's so good. Yay!
Their smiles are the only thanks this mother and daughter need.
You didn't want her to tell the kids.
No, because it wasn't, mom needed to feel special that she was doing it for her children. It makes me feel good to have made them feel good. We lost everything. We lost our home, and we have people who helped us tremendously. When people give to you, you give back to people.
You with a white girl?
I'm dating a girl who was white, if that's what you mean.
I don't get it, but
It's crazy.
the only thing crazy is you being in here.
I don't know why you're so disrespected.
Look, I'm just saying what every woman here is thinking. You know, kill the messenger or whatever. They wouldn't be with a white guy, would they?
I can't sit here.
Can't disrespect customers like that. It's none of your business. You should be ashamed of yourself for doing that.
Ashamed of myself.
Yeah, that woman did nothing to you.
Did you see what she looked like?
She was a blonde white girl.
Look at this place. We up in Harlem.
So go downtown.
This is Denny Mo's.
So go downtown.
She should go downtown.
And they can cuss you out downtown? Is that all right for them to cuss you out downtown?
Why would they cuss me out?
Because you black and you don't belong there. That's the same thing you're saying to that white girl.
It's not the same.
It's the same thing.
They're ruining the black family.
What? Drugs are ruining the black family. Poverty is ruining the black family. That white girl's not ruining the black family.
You know the way we get treated. Yeah, give them some of the same medicine. Plenty of black people did nothing wrong.
You messed up.
Why are you shaking your head?
Because it's ignorance. And I can't deal with ignorance.
I'm sorry. This is not a charity, ma'am. If you want charity, go to a soup kitchen.
Look, I'm just really hungry.
Why don't you just get out of here?
I'm gonna pay for it. Big deal. Give her the food.
Wow. Thank you, sir.
No, you guys are not good. She says she's pregnant. Look at her condition. Give her the food. You told her to start soup kitchen. Y'all good?
You need her to pay?
Yeah,
I got it. Whatever it is, I got it.
you'll pay for her food?
Yes.
You don't have to do that.
No, I got it. I'll pay for it.
Why would you do this?
Because she needs help in this moment and I'm going to help her. Let me pay for it.
Times are tough for me right now.
Yeah, that's fine. I got it. Just let me pay for it.
You shouldn't have to
I don't
pay
have
for
to.
her
I want
food.
to.
Well, I do have money. I don't have enough.
You don't have enough. It's $12.61.
Okay, I have to.
What's that?
I'll pay for
Thank
it.
you. I have like $2 if you
It's
want.
okay.
I can give
I'll
you the
pay
rest.
No, you're okay.
I'm sorry.
Where?
Sir, why would you do that?
What? Why not?
Why would you help a total stranger?
You don't have to worry about that. That's your not. That's what your partner. Even she's not pregnant.
I hope you don't mind. I brought these gloves.
Why? If you're worried about my skin, it's not contagious.
Because I don't want to catch that.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Stop.
It's a condition. It's a rare condition. That's all it is. But her skin is so soft and beautiful.
Unlike our manicurist, she doesn't have a problem touching Talicia's skin.
Is your father black and your mother's white? Is that how it works?
No, it's more complex than that.
Is it albino? Is that what it is?
No, not an albino.
I'm starting to feel itchy. Oh, I think it's going through the gloves.
It's a pigment thing. It's not anything that's spreadable or contagious. It's just a pigment disorder. It's like a birthmark. It's nothing speaking to
Frankly, I don't know anyone who would want to do your nails.
I would do her nails if I was trained. I'm not trained to do nails.
I don't mean to be rude.
There's nothing gross about it at all.
But it says you're in a black SUV.
No, don't worry about that. It's always wrong.
How are you getting home?
I'm trying to get in this car.
The app
and it
is
says
wrong.
It's a Tahoe.
This is the car.
He says it's the car.
Okay, so what's her name?
Her name?
Yeah. Don't tell me your name.
Why are you asking me her name?
Because if you're picking her up, you would know her name.
No, those apps are always wrong.
No, they're not.
I can prove that I'm the car. Come with me, sweetie. Come on.
And because you're sweetie again, I'm going to start taking swings at the man.
Why are you getting involved?
Because you're obviously not a driver.
Give me your phone.
My phone's in the car.
So then get it out of your car.
Do you know her?
Do I know? I don't need to know her. I'm a girl, and I need to know that you're an Uber driver right now.
I'm a driver. I'm going to
What's
show.
your name then?
I don't need to prove anything to you.
Oh my God! Please do not go with her.
It's been 2 minutes.
If you're an Uber driver, you wouldn't be putting your hands on her.
The app
I'm
is
calling
wrong.
cops.
Listen to me. Don't bother her. I'm the driver.
I'm not even talking to you. The license plate on here is different from the license plate on there.
It's fine.
As Paulina ignores their advice, she takes photos of the car.
Sweetie? Hey, do you feel kind of exposed? Do you want a place inside where you can do that?
I'm okay, thank you.
Do you think it's a little inappropriate, maybe?
I'm fine with it.
Maybe you could go out to the car, or you could go to the bathroom. You know, it's a private place.
She's
really.
a new mom just trying to feed her baby.
I didn't think
There's
you're
nothing
making
wrong with
her
that.
dog for taking care of her baby right now. Pointing her out.
I think I'm losing my appetite, really. I don't know.
Maybe you can get in your car.
Why would I eat my car? I'm not the one indecent.
Nobody's indecent. Except for your mouth.
My mouth isn't indecent. I've been perfectly respectful to
Why don't you mind
you.
your own damn business?
Because
Seriously, shut up.
it's inappropriate, also disgusting, and you're exposing yourself.
The woman may breastfeed the woman's child in any public place where the woman's presence is otherwise authorized.
So you're telling me that's a lawful thing to do?
Yeah, and it has been for years.
Prepay?
Yeah, prepay.
Like, pay before we eat?
Exactly. I'm going to go add up your order, bring you back your bill, and once you pay, I can place your order for you.
Why? Why do they have to prepay? We didn't prepay.
Oh, you don't have to.
Why?
You know,
No, I don't.
I've had trouble with people like them.
I'm taking offense the way you're treating them.
They're high risk. Are you guys ready to order?
No, I'm not cool with that either. Like, this is really kind of upsetting. Why are they being treated differently than everybody else?
Because I've had issues before.
With these particular people?
No, with people that look just like them.
Oh, gosh.
Me too.
The goodest thing I've ever heard.
I actually overheard you saying about you have to prepay things to come in here. Oh, I was just wondering, what was that about?
Well, I've had issues with people like them. Not.
What do you mean like them?
You know what I'm talking about, right?
No, I don't. I know. We're like them. I really don't think that was appropriate, and I don't feel comfortable. This is a public place. You didn't ask anyone else to prepay.
Can I get a milkshake, Mommy?
Yeah, what kind?
Vanilla.
Can we do a quick vanilla?
Yeah,
milkshake?
sure.
No, just one. Just one. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, come on, I want a milkshake.
She's my real daughter. She gets things that you don't get.
Wow.
There you go, darling.
That looks really delicious.
You can have her leftovers.
How come I can't have a hamburger too?
Because I only get so much money a month. Let's stop. You need to be more appreciative, and if I send you back, no one's going to adopt you.
Are you okay?
He's fine. I'm sorry if he disturbed you.
He didn't disturb me. You disturbed me. You told him you were going to send him back.
But he's not my real son. I can't lie to him and say I'm going to keep him forever.
If you're going to bring someone into your household, you treat him the same way you treat your kids.
He's fine. He's just having a bad day.
I'm not calling police.
I'll treat him to whatever he wants.
Oh, no, he's on a budget.
It's okay. Whatever he wants, I'll put it on my bill.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
Whatever you want. Dessert, ice cream sundae, it's on me.
I want a hamburger. Can I have that?
Whatever you want.
You want a milkshake? Give me a hamburger. Thank you.
Oh, you're welcome. All right, your total's gonna be $12.33.
Okay, let me just get my change out.
Are you paying with all change today?
Yes, ma'am. That's the best I can do.
This is gonna take a really long time.
I'm gonna move as fast as I can. I'm sorry, sir.
You're fine.
I'm gonna go as fast as I can. What was the total again?
$12.33.
12.33. I just can't seem to remember.
Want me to help you?
Yeah, I need a hand. Thank you for your help.
Why are you helping him? Really, don't you have better things to do, sir? We need $2 more.
There, sugar.
Ma'am, why are you giving him money?
Because I have it to give.
Well, why are you helping this old man?
God helps me every day.
Right.
You need to keep your opinion to yourself. You're a worker here. He's a customer.
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome.
God bless you. God bless you.
I hate when people come in here with all change.
I'm doing the best that I
Are you serious right now? Look how much change he has.
He's a senior citizen.
You're rude.
What's the total again?
You don't have to count that change out, sir.
I'll pay for it.